Hi there, this is a net development question from the 0445 specification, October-November 2019. And the question states, a package for a pocket radio is shown below. So you've got your isometric of the parts. The package has a cardboard outer sleeve with a clear plastic window. So this is this one here. You can see it's open and it's got a window. The styrofoam inset fits inside the sleeve, so you can see it's labelled styrofoam insert and you've got your arrow. Complete the full-size development or net of the cardboard sleeve by drawing the outer shape of the development, the net, the glue flap 10mm wide, so you can see here it's labelled glue flap, and a rectangular hole for the clear plastic window. So you've got that here. So starting off, it's good to, what you're thinking about it is just to extend your lines. So you know it's going to be a long section that way because it's folded round and your pocket radio side is here. So it's always good to extend your lines using the equipment, just extending this up and extending down. So this side is this here, so this with the window is the top, so I'm just going to extend these along. It's showing you that these lines are fold lines, so the width of it is 100, so measuring 100 and putting in the vertical. Keeping it quite light and extending this down. So this is your top side, this side here, it's telling you that this height is 30, so measuring 30 here, marking out 30 and draw in your horizontal. And you know this is going to be the bottom, so that's going to be 80 from here. So marking out 80. And drawing that horizontal. And you're going to have your glue flap attached to the bottom. So this is going to have to be the other side, which we know is 30 because it's the same. So marking 30, drawing that horizontal, and the glue flap is stated it's 10mm, so drawing that in. And then doing those at an angle. I just tend to use my 60-30 set square just because it's easy, but as long as they're at an angle, that's fine. And then you're looking at the outer lines are solid and your inner lines have to be dashed. This is usually one mark, so you know you can just complete the whole shape first if you think it's going to be difficult for time. So just doing all the fold lines. Copying what you're given. It's always good to check. Quite often I just leave this to last, but it's quite a short, simple question. And the glue flap, because that's going to have to fold as well. So using a long dash and two small dashes. Don't have to be too precise about it. So we've done the outer shape, the glue flap, so now it's the rectangular hole. So it says it's 70 by 45, you know the long side is here, so 45 is going to be here. So extending those lines across and down and marking out 45 and 70. And extending those across and up. So there you have the final net.